Hello dear students, my today's topic is vitamin B6, biotin and pantothenic acid. This is continuation of water soluble vitamin. First I will discuss about pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is vitamin B6. It is also called anti-dermatitis factor. Chemistry. It includes three closely related forms: pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine, all of which are pyridine derivatives. They all occur as phosphates and are equally active. Pyridoxamine phosphate and pyridoxal phosphates are metabolically more important. Active forms of vitamin B6. Pyridoxal phosphate and pyridoxamine phosphate are active forms of pyridoxine. They are formed by phosphorylation catalyzed by pyridoxal kinase enzyme using ATP. Metabolic role. Pyridoxine acts as coenzyme in several reactions. It binds to enzyme protein by CYP-base linkage with a lysine residue. Look at the figure. This is the mechanism of action of vitamin B6. Some important reactions where vitamin B6 acts as coenzyme. First, transamination of amino acids such as pyruvate, alanine to pyruvate by ALT, aspartate to glutamate by AST. Number 2, decarboxylation of amino acids. Some important examples are 5-hydroxytryptophan to 5-hydroxytryptamine or serotonin, histidine to histamine, glutamate to GABA or gamma amino butyric acid, DOPA to dopamine. Number 3, non-oxidative deamination. Number 4, ALA synthesis and tryptophan metabolism. Number 6, muscle phosphorylase, sphingomyelin synthesis and coenzyme A synthesis. Next, I will discuss about deficiency manifestations of pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is a key vitamin in protein metabolism. Its deficiency leads to a wide variety of manifestations. Neurological manifestation, neuritis, convulsions may occur due to improper myelination of nerves and deficiency of neurotransmitters like GABA. Dermatological manifestation, vitamin B6 deficiency leads to niacin deficiency which causes pellagra. Hematological manifestations, ALA synthesis is the first step of heme synthesis and ALA synthase requires vitamin B6 as coenzyme. In B6 deficiency, defective heme synthesis leads to sideroblastic anemia, which manifests as iron deficiency anemia. Homocystinuria. In methionine metabolism, both cystathionine synthase and cystathionase are vitamin B6 dependent enzymes. Hence, in vitamin B6 deficiency, homocysteine level increases in blood, leading to hyperhomocystinemia, which is a risk factor for coronary artery disease or CAD. Hyperoxaluria. In vitamin B6 deficiency, glyoxylate utilization by transamination is impaired. Hence, glyoxylate is converted to oxalate, which may lead to renal stone formation and renal disease. Next, assessment of pyridoxine deficiency. It can be assessed either by tryptophan load test or by estimation of B6 level in plasma. Tryptophan load test. Increased xanthurenic acid excretion occurs in vitamin B6 deficiency because hydroxykynurenine is alternatively converted to xanthurenic acid. A known dose of tryptophan is given and increased xanthurenic acid excretion indicates pyridoxine deficiency. Pyridoxine level less than 20 nanomole per liter indicates vitamin B6 deficiency. Daily requirement. Adults need 1.5 to 2 mg per day. Pregnancy and lactation require 2 mg per day. Whole grain cereals, unpolished rice, legumes, green leafy vegetables, yeast, etc. are good sources of pyridoxine. Next I am coming to vitamin biotin or vitamin B7. Biotin is also called anti-egg white injury factor or vitamin H. Chemistry. Biotin is an imidazole ring fused with thiophene ring with a valeryl side chain. Look at the structure. The imidazole ring is fused with a thiophene ring which has a valeryl side chain. Biotin is widely distributed in food and is present as biocytin, that is biotin bound to amino group of lysine residue of proteins. Free biotin is released by proteolysis catalyzed by biotinidase. Here is the structure of biocytin. Next, metabolic role of biotin in our body. Biotin acts as a coenzyme in many carboxylation reactions which is catalyzed by carboxylase enzyme. Some common examples are conversion of acetyl CoA to malonyl CoA by acetyl CoA carboxylase in fatty acid biosynthesis, conversion of pyruvate to oxaloacetate by pyruvate carboxylase in gluconeogenesis, propionyl CoA to D-methyl malonyl CoA by propionyl CoA carboxylase. Biotin deficiency is rare because biotin is synthesized more than the requirement by intestinal bacteria. Also, it is present sufficiently in different foods. Causes of biotin deficiency: prolonged use of broad spectrum antibiotics which destroy intestinal flora, excessive intake of raw egg white. Avidin present in egg white binds biotin and makes it unavailable. Avidin is heat labile and is destroyed on heating, hence boiled eggs are better. Manifestations: muscle pain, dermatitis, glossitis, hair fall, hallucination, depression, etc. are common manifestations of biotin deficiency. Daily requirement and sources. Adults need 20 to 30 microgram per day. Pregnancy and lactation 35 to 40 microgram per day. Yeast, soybean, milk, egg yolk, liver are good sources of biotin. Next topic is pantothenic acid. Chemistry of pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is pantoic acid bound to beta-alanine by an amide linkage. Here is the structure of pantothenic acid. Next, I will discuss about metabolic role of pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is a component of coenzyme A, which is made up of adenine 3-phosphoribose 5-phosphate, phosphopantothenic acid, and thioethanolamine. Coenzyme A is a nucleotide containing pantothenic acid. The SH group of thioethanolamine moiety is an active group which acts as a carrier. The coenzyme A is therefore abbreviated as COASH. Coenzyme reacts with many compounds to form important derivatives such as acetyl-CoA, succinyl-CoA, HMG-CoA, fatty acyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is formed as an intermediate both in fatty acid synthesis and fatty acid oxidation. HMG-CoA is an important intermediate involved in both ketogenesis and cholesterol biosynthesis. Succinyl-CoA is involved in activation of a ketone body like acetoacetate. Thank you.